Hi, boys and girls. My name is Miss Amanda, and I am here joining you today for a Focused Kids lesson. Today, we're going to be using one of our tools, the Chime. You may recognize the Chime from your home. You might have one at home. You might recognize it from your classroom. And maybe you've never seen the Chime before, but this is a tool that we use to help find calm in our body and help us get focused. We're sending a signal to our brain, our wise owl, time to get focused and time to get calm before I do my next activity. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to take a deep breath, because while you're listening to the Chime, you can take some big, slow, deep breaths. So by taking our deep breaths, we put our hands on our belly and then we breathe in through our nose, pause at the top, and breathe out through our mouth. Do you want to try that with me? Here we go. Take a deep breath in through your nose, pause at the top, and breathe out. That felt good. Let's do one more like that. Take a deep breath in and out. So that's what you'll do while you're listening to the Chime. So now we'll add the sound of the Chime in. So we're going to listen to the Chime while we take our deep breaths. And when you can't hear the Chime anymore, we'll open our eyes and raise your hand. And that sends a signal that the Chime is no longer making a sound. Here we go. Put your hands on your belly, close your eyes or look down, and get ready to breathe while you listen to the Chime. Nice job. How are you feeling now? Are you feeling calm? Do you feel ready for your next activity? I hope so. And just remember, you can always come back to this exercise when you're feeling like you need a little extra help getting calm and focused and ready for your activity, whether that's doing schoolwork or doing some sports or watching a movie or getting ready to read. You always have these tools available to you. See you next time, boys and girls. Bye.